spring still. That's cool. Put the guts in here, I guess, and tape in there, and we'll hold the rest of it. I only know how to reload. It's so slow. There should be like a back door on this thing. Oh, breakfast is done. I missed breakfast. Carpe diem. He's got a thing for me? What happens if I miss breakfast? Is just their morale goes low or what? I hear... What? Can I get you? Nope. I didn't mean it. Why are they oh. Sure. Quest lighter. Where is it? Hello. I have no idea where that is. Could you have done that a little slower? Why are you following me? Leave me alone, guys. Thank you. Morning. 30% zombified. It's not good. It's not good to be 30% zombified. Pretty sure it's a no-go. Alright, let's just pop over here. Let's just give it a go. Let's just do the bad thing. Who's next? Who's next? Oops. Walker's pockets. Ooh. More rock. Excellent. Why? Why don't I have a weapon? I gotta be putting it on them to do it? Oh. I gotta be facing them? What the? It's not really working. Guts. How do I use ammo? Aha, that's how I do it. Nope. Okay, so I found a way to get some ammo back. Horse thing again. Uh-oh, somebody's in combat. Alright, let's go get him. Why is he in there? Dying. Come on, dude, let's go. Get out of here, please. Don't come with us. No, don't come. Ugh. Crap, he got out. It's lunch. We gotta go eat lunch. There's a zombie loose, but we gotta go eat lunch. It's just how life is. It's just how life is, folks. Ooh-ha-ha. Zombies are my dead fans. Can you give me your mission? That'd be cool. Is it just because we're sitting here that you can't do that? Bar of soap? Sure. Pillow? Oh, I could definitely get you a pillow. What did you need, sir? Barbed wire. Sure. Get you that pillow right now. Really do kind of want to work out, but it's not happening. My hits are weak sauce. I gotta get some armor. Come on, dude, Dale. Dale. Help him out, Tyrese. You guys got this, right? How do I make my uniform? I don't have any outfit. How do I get an outfit? Pillow and duct tape makes light armor, so I guess duct tape and that'll make heavy armor? Kind of makes sense when you think about it. There you go. That's the armor level. 3. I like how you have to hold it to get that, but whatever. And this weapon is supposed to be good, but it's debatable. Alright, let's go armor up. Come on, guys. You can't keep getting into combat like this. Why are you going into zombie areas? See? You can't be doing that. Am I searching? What was that? Didn't even see. Supposed to be helping these guys out. Let's go through the desks. I gotta work out, but I also feel like I need to look for this stuff so I have money. I need a file. That's what I could really use. It's a chisel, battery, nails, tool component. Awesome files. It's crap right now. Pistol, spring, file. Pistol modified. Craft. And I think I have a spring over here. We can make another one. Yeah, let's put the chisel in there. Let's go ahead. Oh, look at that. It even reloads it too. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Yeah, look at that puppy. Now we're talking. What's my health at? There's no way to tell. Can I like lay down for a second? Yeah, I still can't really tell. I do look like a zombie already. 30% zombie. Alright, let's go kill these other zombies then. Time for this stuff. Let's go finish the job. Take it. Oh man, I'm already out of ammo. Look at that. It's crazy. That's how fast it goes. Nothing. This guy's just never ending? Egg. Excellent. What does it say? It's a component. I wonder what it's a component of. An omelet, perhaps? Okay. More eggs. Maybe 2 eggs make an omelet? Let's see. 2 eggs. Duct tape? Nope. It's not gonna fly. Maybe we need 3 eggs for an omelet. I don't know. Give it to the cook. Let him figure it out. Alright, we're gonna go with this guy. We're gonna try to hack our way through some of this stuff. Oh, come on. You must be serious, really? Okay. Oh, they're definitely gonna outkill me. This is not even a contest. Look at that. It's so unfair. Okay, we gotta figure out something to do. We need a gun. Let's go back in the barn. Is there more of them in the barn? Yeah, there's lots more in the barn. There's no end soon. What's that about? Need the colored key. Where are you gonna get the colored key from, son? Oh. Well, let's lead him on a merry chase then, shall we? Alright, I guess it's better if they stay in there. I mean, truthfully. I'm gonna need to recover. And I wish there was a way to see what your temporary health was at. It does not tell you anywhere. It's not good. It's all we got, you know? I'm at 30 still. I need more weapons. I guess I should just go look for those. Although, I could get more ammo for these 2 pistols. Let's go put the stuff back on my desk and look for more ammo. Look for the stuff. How do I see my quests? Quests. I really need toy car, lighter, pillow. Pillow I can handle. I want to have some stuff for these guys. Where did I put that pillow? There it is. Sock probably don't need. Battery probably don't need. Postcard probably don't need. Family photo probably don't need. Search their rooms. Okay, purifier, more rope, saddle, metal, rock. Huh. Not really looking for anything in particular. Frying pan, weapon component. Oh, maybe eggs in frying pans. You get omelet. Wire. Somebody wanted barbed wire. You can always use another file for the springy thing. We find another gun, I think. Bucket. Oh, we don't have a saddle. We got over here. Anything? What's that over here? Almost out of stuff, out of space. Oh, what? What's going on? Evening day 2. How did I fail evening day 2? Seeds. Sword, rock, glue, soap. Didn't somebody want soap? I think somebody did want soap. Cushion and crowbar. Ooh, crowbar would be very nice. We should come back over here and get this crowbar. Dude, what am I supposed to do? You're not supposed to be outside. Go outside. Oh, I need somebody's lighter too. Oh man, this is tough. Pillowcase, pliers, hammer. I want the lighter, but I don't want to leave anything. I think I need it all. I can leave this, I guess. Come back and grab it. Oh. How am I supposed to get over to him? Okay, who are you, dude? Come with me for a second. Profile journal. Who needed the lighter? Dale needs the lighter. Tyrese needs the soap. Maggie needs the pillow. Who are you? I have no idea who you are. Herschel. I only need you, Herschel. Go away. Who are you? Lori? Barbed wire. Sure. I have your barbed wire. Whoops. How do I give him stuff again? Oh. There we go. Barbed wire. Did that do it? Didn't I give it to you? Oh, I just gave away the barbed wire. Oh, I already have too many things, that's why I didn't take it, and I gave her the barbed wire. Great! Wonderful! Great. Who are you again? You're Herschel? Yep. Who gets the other stuff? Oh. Dale, Tyrese, and Maggie get stuff. Dale, Tyrese, and Maggie. Are they around? Dale, Tyrese, and Maggie. Where did our dead friend go? Well, how am I supposed to get out there, sir? Come on. Come on. Come in. Oh, it's evening head count? Why doesn't it tell me these things? Shovel. Come on. Okay, we're at head count. Let's give this stuff away at head count. Where's everybody? Who are you? Tyrese. What does Tyrese get? Tyrese gets the bar of soap. So Tyrese, can you come here? Alright, there it is. 25 bucks. Maybe I can buy some ammo tonight. Who else is here? This is who? Dale? Wait, Dale get... No, don't kill them! It's good when everybody's around, I guess. Dale. Dale got something. Lighter. Dale gets the lighter. He didn't do anything. Pillow. Maggie. You Maggie? And you want a new pillow? Okay. I got a little bit of money. That was not the best. Do the file. Okay, well, I've lost that file I had up there. Oh, I said no accidentally because it's the interface is a little jerk face. I'm going to try to go back out to that guy and see if I can't pick up some more bullets. But I want to hit this room on the end before I go, frankly. Because somebody had some stuff in there. Don't see me. Oh, are you kidding me? It's gone? Oh, toy car. Will you beat me up if I go through your desk? I swear there was a file I left in here. Thank you. Alright, let's run back down to my room. Let's put the stuff in there, and then we're going to run all the way back. We're going to try to find that place again and see if we can buy some ammo. Even though I don't have any ammo right now. Toy car for tomorrow. I wonder if we can just improve this again with the file and, can we try? Let's see what it does. Nope. Why don't you do it again? Not like the real thing. Okay, let's get out there then. We'll give whoever's thing at the morning head count. We'll just try to wing it tonight. We're at 35%. We seem to just be going up with our zombification. I'm not sure if we're supposed to be doing something to keep that low. Or just not getting hit by zombies. Probably just not getting hit by zombies. Okay, he must have been up here further. Guns, yes. Medkit, yes. Crafty note, yes. Sturdy shovel, yes. Can't really use it, okay. Okay. Here it is. Figures. Hello, sir. Dave will sell to you, but only because he likes you. Well, really, I just wanted ammo, buddy. I didn't really want all this stuff. I only have 50. Okay, I'll buy another one. Okay. Done deal. Pickaxe. Same stuff each night? Okay. So we're gonna need the red key eventually. They're probably gonna have to tell us how to make it. Okay. It's 2:37. I want to go. upgrade this gun. What? Isn't that what it is? File spring. Key. File spring pistol, yeah. Maybe this one's already modified? There we go. Okay. Put this one in the desk. Right, there we go, that's why. 318. Let's take a few more of these guys out, shall we? Okay. Rucksack. There's the red key. Here we remain. Crafting note. Timber brace. Alright, we did it. I think we escaped the level. Some more stuff over there. What is that? Where's this shiny thing? It's a safe is what it looks like. We didn't get to go explore that. Well, at least this looks like it has a lot of replay value, guys. I mean, like, I could probably play these levels over and over again. Right. Survivors downed. Oh, we didn't do so badly. 92,000. We gotta go back and look at the leaderboards. I gotta come check chat. I wasn't very chatty while playing this. It's my first time ever playing the game, so I'm trying to learn everything, and I'm, you know, paying attention and trying to read everything, so it's hard to chat at the same time. Let's just see if I made the leaderboards. Not the first one, not the Greene Family Farm. That was the one I just was on. 104, where was I? I was like 60 something. Oh man, I'm not gonna be close. I recognize some names on here already though. Like right here. Maybe Cthulhu. Yeah, I'm not even close. I was like 60, I think. Yeah, let's go to me. My score was... where is it? Where is it? 92. Okay, that's not that bad. Alright, so 118. Can definitely replay the 3 days for sure. Does not compare with